In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradeStation RadarScreen. If you've ever wanted a fast, real-time way to watch multiple symbols and their key metrics all in one place, RadarScreen is built for that. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to open it, load your symbols, sort them to spot opportunities quickly, and add indicators so your list updates with meaningful, actionable data. Start by opening TradeStation Desktop. Once it's up, look for the Apps menu. Click Apps, then select RadarScreen. This opens a dedicated window designed to function like a dynamic watch list. It's not just a static list. Every column can update in real time, which makes it ideal for tracking movement throughout the session. Next, let's add symbols. Click directly in the symbol column so the entry field becomes active. Type a ticker, such as AAPL, and press Enter. You'll see the symbol populate the row and begin updating. Repeat the same process for as many symbols as you'd like. Keeping your list focused helps you stay efficient, so consider adding the names you actually monitor day to day rather than everything under the sun. If a symbol doesn't load as expected, double-check the spelling and format. Pressing Enter confirms the entry and is essential to get data flowing. With your list in place, sorting is how you quickly find what matters most. Click a column header like %change or volume to sort by that field. You'll immediately see the list reorder, so the highest or lowest values bubble to the top. Click the same header again to reverse the order. This simple toggle is perfect for spotting top gainers, unusual volume, or names lagging the market. If you find yourself comparing multiple columns, remember that you can resort anytime with a single click. Finally, enhance your view with indicators. Click Studies, then Add Study. From the list, choose what you want to see. Popular choices include RSI for momentum or moving average for trend context. Click OK to apply. RadarScreen will add new columns for the studies you select, and their values will update in real time for every symbol on your list. That means you can scan which symbols are overbought or crossing a moving average without opening separate charts. That's all there is to it. Open RadarScreen from Apps, add your symbols in the symbol column, sort by the headers that matter, and add indicators through studies to turn your watch list into a powerful living dashboard.